Fluent Kunto is a real-time, mobile-based vehicle data collection system. It has been planned for fluent maintenance operations everywhere. After starting up, the app starts to collect information and send data. Fluent Kunto makes smart use of mobile technology, GIS data, and map technology. It collects point data that includes, for example, speed, road address and the type of work performed. There is a possibility to create observations to Fluent Kunto on the road. The foreman notices a road sign covered by snow. He creates an observation with an image attached. The observation is sent to a cloud server, where all the information is gathered. Browser-based Fluent Planner application gathers all the observation information. The contract foreman gets an automatic notification of the road sign being covered by snow. The foreman reviews observation details like the location and image attachments, and based on gathered data makes the decision to remove the snow. Next, the foreman decides who will perform the task and when. He assigns the task and sets priority to high. A notification of the new task is sent to the driver's mobile device. He drives to the target location. The task is performed while Fluent Kunto automatically gathers data of the task duration and the total distance traveled. He documents the cleaned road sign by taking a photo, writes down all the other possible observations and marks the task completed. The foreman gets a notification of the completed task. In Fluent Planner he can check how the task was performed, and thus an observation became a maintenance action. Work is completed and information collected and saved.